Angry outbursts, desperate requests, and helpless passengers. Chaos is unfolding at Indigo counters across India as hundreds of flights face delays and cancellations. Passengers are venting online, sharing stories of overnight delays, cancellations, and lack of clarity. The question is, what is behind this chaos? Indigo blames multiple operational challenges: tech glitches, winter schedule changes, bad weather, airspace congestion. But what is the biggest factor? The biggest factor is the new safety rules for pilots. What are these new DGCA safety norms? In January 2024, the aviation regulator tightened flight duty time limit rules, ensuring more rest for pilots to improve passenger safety. Night duties were sharply reduced and caps were placed on how long pilots can fly. As the rules kicked in, airline rosters fell apart. Crews simply couldn't fly under old schedules, triggering mass delays and cancellation. The question is, why is the Indigo worst hit? Indigo operates over 2,200 flights daily, far more than rivals. Even a small disruption snowballs into hundreds of cancellations. Clearly, the low-cost model is under stress. Its high-frequency, overnight heavy operations clash directly with the new rest rules. In just 48 hours, over 300 flights were cancelled. Bangalore and Hyderabad were among the worst affected. Passengers alleged misleading updates, no accommodation, and repeated delays of just 2 more hours. The airline says operations will stabilize in 48 hours, with teams working round the clock, and has apologized. What needs to change? Pilot body says this disruption was avoidable. The Federation of Indian Pilots claims Indigo imposed a hiring freeze despite knowing these rules were coming for 2 years. They accuse the airline of short-sighted planning and urge the regulator to clear schedules only if airlines have enough pilots. This crisis isn't just about cancellation. It's about whether India's fast-growing aviation sector can scale up without cutting corners on safety.